Good morning. Well, it's morning over here anyway. I don't know when you're going to watch this video. Ladies and gents, I just wanted to do a quick video just giving you all the info and the haps for your Chapter 15 test that you will be taking. So on Friday, May 1st. And so I just wanted to jump in really fast. Hopefully it's going to be a teensy short video. You're going to watch it. You're going to feel informed. You're going to be ready to go. So let's just jump right in, shall we? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, we are going to do just this quick PowerPoint on Chapter 15. And hopefully, as you've been reviewing this week, you're feeling informed, you're feeling caught up. Like I know we did the material a long time ago, but it was kind of a good, if there was going to be a chapter to like have to come back to, it would have been this one because it's actually like hopefully pretty smooth stuff. So the test procedure. So this is what's going to happen. We're going to be on Friday, May 1st, starting at 8 a.m. And we're going to run that test until 3 p.m., just like we did last week with Chapter 13 test. So hopefully you're in the groove of that. It's golden. Seniors, you know that you have a yard sign pickup at a certain time during the day. I think it might be like 12 to 2. And so this is way outside that window. You guys should have plenty of time to take it. There should be no issues. Work turned in after that 3 p.m. deadline, we're going to have points deducted. If for some reason you have something that's previously scheduled and this does not work for you, I've already had one person reach out to me. Thank you very much. Just reach out to me. We'll make arrangements. It'll be fine. Okay. The test is going to be multiple choice on Google form, just like we did last time. Most of the questions have one answer. There's a couple questions that are choose all that apply, maybe 2 or 3 of them. So you really got to make sure that you're reading the instructions. Yes. Some of the questions also say like which statement is true. Some of them say which statement is false. So really read the question, guys. Make sure you're getting in there and just, not missing anything on the details. Probably you're going to need like a sheet of paper to do the work on. Because it's there's like the data and all that good stuff. And I think that last time I did not have you guys take a picture of your work. And I think this time maybe I will. Just watch out for the instructions when it comes out and then you'll just figure it out, right? I know I can make a decision tomorrow. So just whatever the instructions say, that's what you should do. You can use your book and your notes, guys, because it's at home. Okay. But you should be taking the test by yourself because, integrity and all that stuff. I know it's good to, have integrity. Please make sure that this is tested by yourself. You're just going to need a scientific calculator for this one. Graphing calculator is actually not going to be required. And I did this because I know that some of you guys borrow graphing calculators. And so I didn't want anybody to be at a disadvantage. And so you'll just need your scientific calculator tomorrow. You're going to need access to your Z-score table. Yeah. The Z-score table. Okay. So that you have it in a couple of different resources. It's if you still have your original note packet, it's on the back. I know it's a great spot for it. If I reissued that page on Monday in Monday's assignment, and I'll probably attach it tomorrow. So there's no reason for anybody to not have that Z-score table. And then let's talk about the test topics. So there's actually only one slide of test topics. I kind of just have it like grouped up. So the first thing is how do we visually organize our data given a data set? And so we're talking about things like, frequency distribution, frequency polygon, histograms, all that good jazz. Okay, so you're going to think about all those ways to visually represent data. You're going to interpret information from a frequency distribution. So when you give you that table, what information can you get from that? We're going to talk about percentiles. People usually have a hard time with percentiles, so really make sure that you're studying this part, right? I know, just a little heads up right there. So study the percentiles, okay? Interpreting information from a histogram. I really think that this should be like, light work. I mean, seriously, it's going to be totally fine. Make sure you know mean, median, and mode, their differences, how to find them, etc., etc. Make sure that you know how to do the standard deviation and all the pieces that are involved with standard deviation. You've got how you find it. You've got the variance in there somewhere. All those good things. I know, good stuff. You got to know how to do the normal distribution curve where you've got your z-scores. You got to know the ones where you are given z-scores and you have to like shade and decide, well, what your picture that you want, how does that match what you are given on the table. You got to make sure you know also how to do empirical rule. So empirical rule was just that standard set. You can go look that up in your notes, of course. And you will be all good to go. We're also going to ask you about correlation coefficient. Remember that R value and what kind of R values are like better than other ones. What constitutes a picture that looks like 1 or -1, all that good jazz. And then, of course, a question on linear regression. And that's it. No joke, you guys. So remember your homework for these past 2 days. So like yesterday and today, you're just doing your chapter 15 quiz again, and you are scoring it using the video. I think last time I made you do like a Google form. You don't need to do that this time, but you do need to take a picture of your quiz and submit it. And that is going to be your homework for those 2 days. Ladies and gentlemen, boom. That is it. That's all we got. Okay. So a nice, super quick video, ladies and gents. We'll get back over here. Whoops. I can't even click the right thing. Just kidding. Okay. So, yeah, like that's it. That's all we got. Okay. You're going to do a great job with your test. I know you are. Again, why are we taking these tests? Guys, this is a great opportunity. You got to show me what you know, right? Show me what you know, but also that opportunity for you guys to get some more points. I know some of us need some more points. We're at that like in between spot between grades, like the B+ to the A-, and we need to boost it up. Okay. So we are definitely going to make sure that we have this opportunity for some points. It'll be awesome. It'll be cool. I'm excited for you guys, right? So then you'll have a weekend of no homework. Oh, yes. That gets applause and a whistle, because seriously, how exciting for you guys. So I think that's it. Next week, we are going to be starting our next unit. I'm so excited. We're going to take our time through it. And then we'll be seeing you guys in class. I think that's it. Let's get our fanfare to get out of here. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.